The nature's chide. I can see from here the bustling lives of men. I can see the city covered with thick smokes. They have created their own grace that blinds, and have forgotten the beauty of this sight. It is spring, but there I see no colors, but grey like ashes standing tall. Where are the birds of the sky and the green which provides life? I wonder how the world could survive, for you cannot deny the nature to share. Look here at this side from your hostile life. You will see the nature, a home when once was yours. I know you will come at this side, but not the greed, the grind, the barren to destroy and to survive with your metals and nexus. Greed is always you have known, power to command and power to march, the sense for this helpless friend to live. This sight, how calm and peace you bear, is still strong enough to face the fight. So charm and numb is your character, yet helpless and quiet till the battle. Never dear may you ever shake your faith, for this is what adds more beauty in life. This is the time, this is the consequence. My voice is my friend's chide. You consider your command and live for change, for he deserved not to vanish but to sustain. Without him, the loss will lead you to pit, and the sun will scourge you till you're dead. Listen then, this message from the nature's side, of peace, of compromise to all mankind. Learn how to live and to give, to restore what is done to the grave. For as I travel to find my heart at peace and realize the needs of dear deeds, I plead you never to play with the nature's bliss. Now that you know, you won't be pleased. Save our nature and save our life.